Would you like to have that renewing energy of spring brought right into your home? It snowed for us and it's spring here. And I thought, well, I can't control outside, but I can control inside of my house. So I want to share with you 5 diffuser blends for spring. And I also have the recipes that I'll share at the end. There's 12 total that you can grab. But I love these because they can help with those seasonal respiratory challenges that might come up as the seasons change. I know when I was experiencing my first girls camp, I was miserable because of that. I had the watery eyes, itchy nose, and throat, and had nothing that I could do for it. But I can do those things in my home as spring is coming, and that might be impacting you. Also, if you're just wanting that renewing energy, these blends can be very uplifting, bring in energy emotionally and physically. I also like, there's a blend that's great for like smelling like that fresh rain outside when everything is clean and pure, or maybe you just like the smell of fresh spring flowers. So these diffuser blends, I will show you how to make and give you those recipes. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy Paulson, and I am a wife, mother of 6. I'm a health and business coach, and I am an essential oil educator. I am obsessed with helping women overcome their emotional and physical health challenges so that they can live life fully. Make sure that you click subscribe and the bell notification, and you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. So the first blend for spring that I want to give you is called the seasonal blend. And there are 3 different oils for this. So you know, as those watery eyes, itchy throat, runny nose kind of thing come along, this is the blend for you. So it is made of lemon, peppermint, and lavender. And I love lemon because it's uplifting. Any citrus oil is very uplifting, so you're gonna get that springtime uplift, cleansing. Think about a fresh cut lemon. If you've done that and you were squeezing it, but as you're cutting it, that the rind shoots out those little juicy points. Those are the essential oils. And so we can have that fresh smell all the time by putting them in the diffuser. So that's why I love lemon in this. Also, peppermint is great for respiratory support. It opens your airways. It is invigorating, it's cooling, it's energizing. And then you're gonna mix that with lavender, which is calming and regenerating and healing. So it's great for calming the respiratory system. So if you're having challenges with that. So I love this diffuser because it's portable. It sits on a charger, and then I can take it wherever I want. So this recipe is just 2 drops of lemon. 3 might come out. 2 drops of peppermint. And 2 drops of lavender. And you will just put that in the room where you want it to smell springy, great for respiratory support. I will leave that on as we're diffusing. So this diffuser blend has been a game changer for me since my first girls camp. When I was 12, I had those seasonal challenges come up. I remember being so miserable. And this is really amazing that I can just diffuse the oils and it will help support clear airways without the runny nose and itchy eyes. I really love that. And I would love for you to post in the comments, what are you wanting to diffuse for the spring? If there any of the blends come up, or if there's something that you've been diffusing that you found awesome, I would love for you to be able to share with our community. Something that I also love is that you can take these on the go. So you may not always have a diffuser, but you can diffuse. So you can use little inhalers. Let me grab these inhalers, which you take with you. Can breathe those, so if you're needing support, a pick-me-up, respiratory support, whatever it is, you can take those. I will put those in the card up here, how to make them, and then some other recipes that you might want to try. But just know that you don't have to be at home, but these ones are great for home. Okay, so for another couple of recipes for diffuser blends for spring, another favorite is vetiver, coriander, and lemon essential oils. I'm not going to make all of these. You'll see the recipe come up there. But this one is 3 drops of vetiver. And vetiver is regenerating, it's reassuring, it's enduring, it helps with focus and concentration, retention, it calms anxious feelings. So if that's something maybe you need in the spring, maybe it's kids are home, maybe there's finals, this is a great one. Coriander is another favorite, so coriander. So it's 3 drops of vetiver, 2 drops of lemon, and 1 drop of coriander. And then coriander is calming, it's green and stimulating. So it's a beautiful blend together, and I call this one Fresh Rain because it's very earthy and grounding, but refreshing and clean. This next one is Fresh Cut Flowers. If you love that, I do, but sometimes we don't have access or don't want to spend the money on it, but just a few drops of essential oil in your diffuser can do that for you. So this one is made of 2 drops of ylang, 2 drops of juniper berry, and 2 drops of lavender. And you'll combine those in there. And what ylang does is it's very calming, and it's floral. So it's giving you that floral and smell, plus it's soothing. Also, it's used for balancing hormones. So that might be something you need in the spring. Might need it all the time. Juniper berry is detoxifying, it's revitalizing and toning. So mixing those together with lavender, which is very calming, makes a beautiful floral fresh flower scent. Now, if you're wanting your kitchen to smell fresh and clean and crisp, I have cleaning products that I use that are green and clean, and there's often not a lot of smell to them because clean is actually like no smell, right? But I like to have that smell, so this is one that I will often diffuse after cleaning because it gives you that clean kitchen, bathroom smell. And this is lime, lemon, rosemary, and lavender. And what I love about lime is that it is renewing, it's energizing, it's purifying. Also the rosemary, one of my favorites because it's so refreshing. It's great for respiratory support, but it's great for memory. So as we're diffusing, we're having these side benefits. It's great for focus. It's also great for if you have kids that have nighttime urination issues. This is one that you can use, diffuse. It's great for fatigue and emotional balance. So you're getting this beautiful uplifting blend all together. You're just making your kitchen smell awesome, but you're having other benefits as well. Before I share my last springtime diffuser blend, I do want to make sure that you grab the recipes down below. I'll link it up in the card here, that I also have in there a laundry diffuser blend for fresh laundry, as well as a spring breeze and 5 other blends. Now, you do need to know that not all essential oils are made equal. I've been mentioning some of the emotional and physical benefits that come from oils. You want to make sure that you're diffusing things that are pure, not toxic, because sometimes the point of diffusing is that we're getting rid of the toxic chemicals, the plugins, the sprays, candles that do have toxins. And so I do use doTERRA essential oils, and the reason why is because they are the most trusted essential oils on the planet. They have certified pure tested grade, so I know that every single bottle of oil is pure. There's no contaminants or toxins, and they're not synthetic. So with this last blend, I love it, and I'm going to share a testimonial from one of my friends. Here, we'll put in a little video. But this is my all-time favorite spring in the air. I love spring. I love the renewing energy that comes from spring. It's like the beginning of things. It's hopeful. I love it. So this is what it makes me feel like, is just that hopeful anticipation that things are going to be growing and getting better. So I love diffusing this blend. It is a mixture of cedarwood, tangerine, and lavender essential oil. And tangerine is calming, clearing. It's helps with uplifting. It's also an immune boost, and it's a cell protection. So besides just smelling good, it also helps with feelings of sadness, loneliness. If you're irritable or impulsive, this is a great one. It helps calm anxious feelings. It's great for congestion and coughs. So you can be diffusing it for that. It's great for your metabolism and circulation and pain. So that's all from Little Tangerine. Cedarwood is another amazing oil. It's very calming. Megan's going to share how she's been using this in one of her favorite blends. I'll just go ahead and put that in here. But this is great for creating a stronger connection, a deeper connection. And it also helps to calm anxious feelings, and it helps with cough and sinus support. So if you're needing that type of thing, as well as emotional balance. And it's also a bug repellent. So it's one that you can diffuse if you're needing to get rid of bugs. So now I want you to hear from Megan, and she just shares some things specifically with cedarwood and her diffuser blend.
Hi, my name is Megan Hamburg, and I am excited to share with you a little bit about myself and also about our friend Cedarwood Essential Oil today. So I live in a small mountain town in Colorado with my husband and 4 kids. I teach dance and fitness classes at our local rec center part-time, and it brings me joy. I love it so much. I also consider myself a lifelong learner and teacher, and I love advocating for other people. So sharing doTERRA has fit perfectly and into my life and really fills my cup, and I love that. So let's talk about cedarwood. Two of the main reasons that I love cedarwood are for its skin, its benefits for the skin, and also its ability to help calm us in times of stress. So I like to use cedarwood in a blend in my diffuser. I'll do 3 parts cedarwood, 2 parts serenity, and 1 part of vetiver. It smells amazing and really helps to set the tone for calming the household down and getting ready for sleep. My kids will also use this blend in a spray bottle in their bedrooms, kind of as a no more monster spray, to help them settle in for the night as well. One thing that I love about cedarwood is that it is a woodsy smell, but it's a very light smell, so it's not too overpowering and it blends really well with other essential oils. I also like to use cedarwood when I'm taking a long hot bath, feeling the stress level rise, and need to just relax. I will add a few drops of cedarwood to some Epsom salts and toss that in my bath. So not only am I getting those benefits of calming and lowering my stress level and helping to balance out my emotions, but it's also a great essential oil for the skin. It's very soothing and calming to the skin as well. So get a double whammy and really get to enjoy the wonderful aroma of cedarwood.
Didn't you love that? I just love Megan. So if you don't have your own set of essential oils, you can get started with me. I can help you to get your first kit of oils. I have links below that you can check that out. There's some great starter kits that come with diffusers and a lot of the oils that are here. And then you can also grab my beginner's guide that will help you to get started with the oils. And I send you a welcome package, some samples of my favorite products, as well as recipes and how to, look up things to use and what they're good for. So I want to make sure that you have all the resources available to you for that. And then also make sure that you click the subscribe and like button if you like this video. And if you click here, I will show you how to use essential oils for emotional support, or you can click here, it's YouTube's recommendation. And coming up next, I will be unboxing the respiratory wellness kit.